Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing this quick unboxing of this item right here that I received from Mercari. Of course it's an SLG. I don't need any more SLGs, but this one I had been searching for because I missed out on it originally when it came out, and so I just kept my eye open on the secondhand market and I found one on Mercari. I'm going to look for something to open this up with. Some scissors. Got some scissors in my little drawer right here. And cut this package open and inspect the item. Oh, okay, so it's in that, and then it's in priority. She wrapped this very nicely. Hey you guys. Has a funny smell to it, but this is the lemonade wristlet. I have been wanting this for a while. It was stated it's in new condition. It's still stuff with the paper. It has the little sensor in it that it comes with from the Coach factory. So I'm going to take this out, look on the inside. It's pretty clean. It does have a smell to it, you guys. I don't know. You could definitely tell it's been in somebody's house. I don't know what that smell is. I feel like I've smelled it before. I don't know. But nonetheless, the smell should go away, but it looks good to me. I'm happy to get this. This right here will be the, I don't want to say last, but I'm hoping this is the last SLG that I add to my collection. I've been wanting this to go with my notebook and my handbag that I have in this color. So this is it for this quick unboxing. Alright you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about this item, definitely comment down below. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alrighty, bye.